Hi, I'm Sarah from Jobber. Let's talk about leads. Jobber has a lead label, so you can tell at a glance who is an existing client and who is a prospective client. On select plans, anytime a client is entered into Jobber manually, they will automatically start with a lead label. This can be viewed from the client list, where there is a filter that can be used to display only leads. If a request was made, the lead label will show next to their name on the requests page. This is handy to quickly show when you have a request from a new customer. A client will remain a lead until one of these actions is taken. Their quote is approved, a job is created for them, an invoice is sent to them. To generate a report that shows a client's status, that is, whether they're a lead or not, head to the Reports tab and choose the Client Contact Info report. There will be a column for lead in the report, and it will show today's date. This is to indicate that the lead status reflects a certain point in time. Someone who appeared as a lead months ago may now be a valued client, so the report would have shown different statuses in the past. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, check out our Help Center.